Okay. I'll have to make this very snappy because my other device, my other laptop, water poured my laptop and so water poured my other system and I've been trying to fix it, and so I'm using a different device right now, but we'll have to make this very snappy so I can go back and check how to fix that laptop where it needs to be fixed. So until then, I'm very sorry for coming late. So can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I want to be sure everybody's hearing me, so I would not waste so much time. Somebody just said no sound. So I want to know if I fixed that problem. Can you guys hear me? Okay, perfect, perfect. All right, so welcome guys to another week of profitability. I was super excited before, but when my laptop just had that issue, my mood changed. But let's get to it. I'm a little bit late, but let's see what we can do today. So we're going to start with our usual pairs: GBPUSD, EURUSD, and gold. Right? So let me take this here. Should I take this? Let me take this here. Let me fix this here. Hopefully this can work. Fine. Let me see. Okay. So okay, early this morning before I called the gold on the VIP channel and he gave us almost 70 pips. I came on my system, I was on my device and I saw that okay, GBPUSD was not really giving me a very good move and EURUSD was not giving me a clear move, meaning it was just showing more like a manipulated market, just giving more of manipulations, which is it wants to go up, but still is giving a sell pattern. It has not given a major, it's just giving just a pattern of I want to reverse and start buying, like I said before. Now this chart is very clean. This is not my normal device, but let's just this light is sorry, this light is okay. So let me just start with EURUSD since that's what's on the screen right now. So EURUSD has been selling for a long time right now, and we can see on the weekly it has sold for how many weeks? What's my weekly? On EURUSD has been selling for like weeks. Now EURUSD broke out. It broke this area, or if I'll call it a zone. It broke this point, right? And I'm coming. And it kept on selling. We've been selling from around this region, I guess. No, somewhere around here we've been selling till this point. And now I'm like, okay, what do we expect in this place? That's why a lot of us are here. Everybody on this live session right now, we are here to know what we should expect, what is happening in the market. That's why I believe we're here right now. Yeah. So I've been for the fact that we've been selling, I expect to see bullish moves. I want to see market start buying very soon. But now the market has not given me clear entry to start buying, only for medium scalps, but more of sales, right? Market currently on the 1 hour. I'm sorry, this live session is going to be, I don't know, it's just going to be somehow because this is not my device, but let's just get to it. I'm finding it difficult to navigate through some certain tools on this app, but let's get to it. So now the market started buying from this point and came to this point, and now what do we expect? Do we expect a pullback, then a continuation? Meaning, am I expecting What did I press? What did I press? What did I press? What did I press? Okay. So okay. Now I've seen the device. Let me just start. So okay. So are we expecting the market to do this and buy up, or the market will just do this and continue selling off? This is why we're here. So for now, I would say the market has just been giving me more of bearish move, but this pattern right here, I'll tell you, for me, I want to see more of buys. Yes, I want to see more of buys. I've been anticipating this buy for a long time, and it's been dragging and just doing its thing. And I want to I'm coming. Let me scale it down to the 30 minutes or 15 minutes so we'll see clearly. Now we can see, let me take off this thing. We can see that I was trying to buy here. I was trying to buy ball. So now, reason for me wanting to start seeing more buys, this was the impact of news and it continued. Now, why I want to see more buys, the market got to this point, gave us a reversal pattern, went up, broke structure. It broke structure. For those that are just joining me on this live session for the first time, now I would like to explain the difference between break of structure and change of character. Now, change of character, why I'm explaining this is because a lot of people mistake them, and I want to always explain and differentiate them so we don't fall, we don't always join those guys that always mistake or interchange them. You get? So let's take, for instance, Euro USD was selling like this, right? Now, and you start seeing things like this. Right? Now, this point here can be said to be a change of character, because the market at this point was selling. If you draw your trend line, let's just say you draw your trend line, market was selling and then it changed its character. Now, this is a break of structure, is a continuation of the market. Like if the market is bearish and boom, it breaks structure, continues selling. Now, the market got to this point, changed character, it broke structure first, came back down, went up, and now it has given us this is a break of structure, and let's say the market now has given us a pullback and continuation. Now it has changed character, meaning changing from, let's say, bearish to bullish, changing from bearish to bullish. So I guess I've explained that part. Let me continue what I was saying. Now, the market at this point has given us a break of structure, pulled back, rallied back up. It has given us now, in my opinion, although it is not clear, it has given us a change of character. Now, this can just be normal liquidity sweep, but then I am not reacting. I didn't take this trade because I didn't support the sell and I missed it. I'm not taking this trade because it has not given me a clear confirmation. I won't just want to jump on this trade because of what I feel. No, I want to jump on this market, on this trade, because it is what I expect, right? There's a sharp noise I'm hearing somewhere. There's a sharp noise I'm hearing somewhere. Okay. Okay. Let me continue. Thank you. So now this is the reason why I said I'm looking forward to continue buying, because market has given us a break of a break of structure, changed character. I don't want to go into smaller time frames. You people will see it clearly, but I'm just using the 15 minutes so you would see it well. You just see it like that. Now it has changed, it has broken structure here on the lower time frame, and now it has given us a change of character. right? So that's why I'm saying it is looking more of bullish than bearish. Now I want to see the market at this point. I want to still see the market because all these things, if you check on your MT5, on your MT4, you would notice that on your MT5, on your MT4, there's a gap around this area, if I'm not mistaken. You will notice that there's a gap on this area. So I want to see the market, I want to see price fill up all those gaps, right? Fill it up and continue buying. What are gaps? Those are, let's say, when markets just during, let's say, during holidays or weekends like Saturday, Sunday, these spaces are filled, are empty. So the market will need to fill them up, fill up all those orders, then continue. Now, I am not taking any trade yet. I'm laying emphasis on me not taking any trade yet because the market has not given me a clear direction. All these things I'm saying, I'm just saying them so I am at what I'm anticipating rather. Market has not given me major confirmation. The confirmations I just got are just minor confirmations that can just lead into, that can be turned into manipulations, which is the break of structure and change of character. And yeah, but this is what I'm expecting on Euro USD, a buy. I want to see market sweep off and fill up these gaps first before we start buying. I want to see the market sweep up gaps before we start buying. Let's quickly rush to GBPUSD. GBPUSD. So now on GBPUSD, I marked out these zones and these areas. I said, okay, I want to see the market come back down to these zones, right? Let me use the 4 hours. I want to see the market come back down to this zone. Now, if you guys noticed how we caught the first trade up was because it printed out a pattern. Now, GBP USD and Euro USD have similar patterns, just that one moves faster than the other. It could be most times GBP moves faster than Euro USD, and most times Euro USD moves faster than GBP USD. So now, in our first, when we started selling GBP USD, it gave us a pattern, which is a head and shoulder pattern. Now, if you ask me, this GBP USD is now trying to form, it has not yet formed it, trying to form an inverse head and shoulder, meaning it wants to start buying. An inverse head and shoulder. Let me look for an inverse head and shoulder. Now, we would say this is the right shoulder, right? I'll be left shoulder, head. Now, the market has gotten to the neckline. I want to see it still drop. Now, I'm not forecasting this thing. I'm not forecasting it. Don't get me wrong. I'm not forecasting it. This is just a pattern that the market prints out that I am anticipating. I want to see the market also fill up gaps. There are gaps on this place. If you check your MT5 and MT4, for those that use MT4, you check your MT4, you see gaps. I want to see the market, like I said on Euro USD, sell off to around this region, and then before it starts buying. That is why I'm not trading this thing yet. Now, I'm not on any trade yet because what if he continues selling like this and stops us out? I don't want to take that risk. And come to start with, they sell, the buy opportunity I'm getting on GBP USD is giving me about 20 pips. If you see it very well, it's giving me about 20 pips. And is it a risk I want to take? I'm not sure for now. Till I see the market meet up all the criteria, then I will decide if it's something I want to risk. But until then, I'm just waiting patiently. Whatever the market does, I am chilled. So Euro USD and GBP USD are printing out same pattern or similar patterns. Let me use that word. So can you guys hear me, please? If you guys can hear me, help me put number 5 in the chat box. If you can hear me and you're understanding, if you're following me, put number 5 on the chat box so I'll know everybody. I'm carrying everyone along. I'm seeing some put number 4. I said number 5, guys. Number 5. Number 5. Okay. Perfect. At least you guys, I'm sure you guys are hearing me. All right. Sorry, I'm sounding a little bit down. I just my system just made me, my laptop made me just change my mood. But then I just don't want to start the new week angry or uh on a negative vibe. So I just don't want to look at it. After all, I have something I can use and be uh looking out or watching, putting an eye on the market. So moving on. GBP USD, Euro USD, same pattern, similar patterns. That's what they're printing out. I'm seeing an inverse head and shoulder about to be printed out, or about to be created or formed on GBP USD. So I am waiting in anticipation for it. For now, I am not selling. For now, I am not buying. But more of buys is what I want to see this week, because one, we have oversold. For those that use indicators, you will see your indicators. That's something like your stochastic, your RSI, and all the indicators you guys have. I really don't use indicators. I don't know how to use them. If I use indicators, I will blow my account. I always blow my account as at then, so I stopped using it. But now, those people that use indicators, it is perfect. What works for you is fine. Strategy is not what I'm always big on. So long, if for you to get your strategy, you need to understand yourself and know the kind of trader you are. So back to what I was saying, I'm saying because we've oversold on GBP USD, I want to start seeing more buys. And now, for the fact that it has given us a break of structure, a change of character, right? I want to see. And now it is about to print an inverse head and shoulder. So that's why I am saying I'm looking forward for more buys. But I'm not taking any trade yet. I'm not taking any trade yet. So gold, XAUSD, XAUSD. We've been on 100 on this guy, right? We've been on 100 on this guy. This was the trade I called on the VIP. I had to call this. I called one for my mentees. I called one for my VIP members. I called one for my mentees. I called one for my VIP members, and so I called this first trade, this first one, with about 10 pips. So I called it for my VIP member, my mentees, the new batch. I called it for them. At least they're just new to the team, so I just used it as a welcome party for them, right? Somebody is writing number 5. Can you help me clean it, please? So on I'm coming, sorry. Okay, this was on gold. We are bullish on gold. Now gold gave me um a clear pattern that I was liking. So I said, okay, I want to jump on it. Now I missed this buy. I said, I'm not going to miss this other buy. This other sell, the pullback. Sorry. Okay, I'm trying to mute. I don't want interjections that's why I'm trying to mute a few people. So I missed this buy. So I said, I'm going to catch this pullback for my VIP members and my mentees. That was why I sold. But overall, we are bullish on gold. Overall, we're bullish on gold. I still want to see gold buy. Give us more buys. Give us more buys. I want to see gold. Give us more buys. I want to see gold. Give us more buys. Right? I want to see gold. Give us more buys. More buys. More buys. To around this region or this region. I want to see more buys. But like I said, the sell I had here was just a pullback I was catching. On the VIP, it gave us about almost 70 pips profit. On the other one, it gave us about how many pips? Because we closed at the same time. It gave us about 1:7, 78 pips. On the on my mentees channel, gave us about 78 pips. But so overall, I'm expecting a buy on gold. Overall, I'm expecting a buy on gold. So we might want to see something like this on gold, right? Or might want to see something like this on gold and continue moving. This is what we might want to be anticipating on gold. Just sell off, buy, sell off, buy. We might want to be anticipating this on gold. So these are the three things I'll be anticipating on these three pairs. Bullish move, bullish move, bullish move, bullish move. On gold, I'm bullish. GBPUSD, I am bullish. EURUSD, I am bullish. But I am not taking GBPUSD and EURUSD yet till I get all my confirmations and my confluence put together and before I execute. We don't chase the market. We allow the market come to us and we execute. We don't chase. We strike. We wait for it to come, then we strike. So we still have few minutes more. You can send in your whatever charts you want me or pair you want me to analyze for you. Crypto, any pair or any pair you want me to analyze for you, just bring it on and let's fix it. Let's analyze it together before we call it a day. Bitcoin, BTCUSD. Okay, somebody's requesting for BTCUSD analysis. USDCHF. Okay. Bitcoin. Let's start with Bitcoin. BTCUSD. So BTCUSD, for me, I would say this guy is on a very critical zone, on a very, very critical zone whereby he's looking bullish. Yes, Bitcoin is looking bullish. It's still bullish, but I'm coming. I have to. Bitcoin is really looking bullish, but now it's just sweeping out liquidity. That's what I'm saying. Now, see what happened here. Bitcoin gave us an equal, right? Now, in my liquidity strategy, in my mentorship, in the topic liquidity, we always talk about how to spot out liquidities and where they lie. So now, but I'm not wanting to go deep into that aspect right now for time's sake, and it is only for the consumption of my mentees. But moving on, Bitcoin got to this place, gave us an equal, came back down and moved up, came back down, moved up. Now it has done similar thing here, right? It has given us also another equal, meaning I want to see more of bullish legs. So we'll call this a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal, a low. So now I also always talk about the three tiers in trading, right? Three tiers, which is impulse. This is the impulse. You saw the impulsive move, right? Correction, continuation, impulse, correction, continuation. Now, this is another correction, right? Impulse, another correction, and we're looking forward for a continuation. Jubril, I just analyzed gold. I'll upload this video. You go back and watch it. For time's sake, I can't really go back into it. I would post this. I will send the link to the video. You go and watch it back, please. So, Bitcoin, I'm expecting more bullish move on Bitcoin. More bullish moves on Bitcoin. Now, we would expect a lot of this kind of movement. We'll see Bitcoin do something like this. probably come back down, go back up, just be playing with your emotions. A lot of things are battling with Bitcoin right now. The government and everything, cryptocurrency generally, right? So we would expect different things. We might see Bitcoin come down like this, sweep out liquidity, come back here, sweep out another liquidity, come back here. Now, this guy might just be ranging for like months. You even look at it, see, for weeks now, you've been seeing Bitcoin do shidi bala bala, shidi bolo bolo, shidi bala bala. If you ask me, even Bitcoin is giving more bearish signs right now on the higher time frame because it has done this, done this. Those that used to trade M chart patterns will say this is an M. So it will come back up, probably come back to this point, then buy. But overall, I'm saying I'm expecting a buy. I'm expecting Bitcoin is bullish. See, this is higher time frame. This is what we might be saying. We might see this, come back, this, come back, this, come back down here and activate because Echo is active. So USDCHF. USDCHF. I'm trying to rush up because of time. Because of time. So okay. I'm coming. I'm trying to look. So this number 5 that the person wrote, let me see if I can take it off. Let me see if I can take it off. I've taken it off. Okay, fine. I've taken it off. It's perfect. So USDCHF. USDCHF to me, coming. The bang, okay? I just muted because of the noise and everything. So USDCHF, am I really seeing anything? This guy is ranging. It is ranging. On the weekly, it is ranging. On the daily, let's see if there's an opportunity. Okay, now on the daily, it's showing more of buy opportunity. I'm seeing more of buy opportunity. So I want to see this price come back down like this before it continues to buy. I want to see on the daily, right? I want to see it daily. Now it might be selling because I'm expecting it to come like this before you buy. Let's see the 4 hours. What is it going to say on the 4 hours? Now, on the 4 hours also, it is showing bearish formation. Like, so that means for some days it's going to sell then before it buys. Meaning you'll be looking out for more of sales. You'll be looking out for more of sales this week. You'll be looking out for more of sales this week on USDCHF. You'll be looking out for more of sales. Any retracement, any other bullish move is just retracement. You might just see it do something like this, come back down here, right? Then it will surprise everybody, right? But whatever, this is the 4 hours, it's showing this, printing out a bearish formation still. So if he buys, sell off. I don't know if you're getting, this is USDCHF. I'm trying to rush up so I can. Oh, I'm sorry about, yeah, the Taiwo, don't worry, it's fine. I use more of Zoom because of almost everybody prefers Zoom. So on USD card, we have less than 5 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. I don't want this video to be bulky, so nobody will get bored watching it on YouTube. So USD card. So USD card now.
Please, USDJPY, please.
Is it? Type it in the chat box. In the chat box. Type it in the chat box. Is it USD CAD? USDJPY, not USD CAD.
Yes, analyze USDJPY. Thank you.
No problem. USDJPY coming through. USDJPY. Okay. USDJPY is giving us US 30 and US. Man, you guys are confusing me. Which one do I go for first? USD CAD, USDJPY. Which one do I go for first?
Boss, USDJPY, boss.
Use the chat box, please. I want to be sure. Okay, so quickly, let me just quickly rush up this whole thing. On USD CAD is not really printing out anything. It's looking like it wants to buy. For me, it's looking like it's giving more of buys, which is for weeks it has been buying. If this is our weekly low, so USD, I'm coming, let me spot it out, okay? Now, we might just be seeing it drop to this point before it buys. But if it takes out this, fine. But I'm seeing on the higher time frame, this is where I'm judging from. I'm trying to rush up this whole thing because of our time. If on the higher time frame is showing more of buys, lower time frame, the 30 minutes is showing more of sales. So most likely, even on the lower time frame, we might see it do something like this now before it sell. On the lower time frame, we might see it, that's USD CAD, do this on the lower time frame. Just buy for a moment and sell off. All right, that's for USD CAD. Then USDJPY, let me quickly rush into it. USDJPY, okay. This was the news that I guess happened. So that means it might fill up orders, it might fill up gaps first. Let's go to the higher time frame. Let me not just rush it up like that. USD. Okay. This guy was giving me more of bullish moves. But moving on, I want to see a retracement. I'm seeing the market form a retracement, like correctional move before a continuation. It's already showing me a correctional move before a retracement, right? Before a continuation, meaning it has tendencies of dropping to this point before it continues here. Then it might sell off maybe, but then USDJPY is giving a correctional pattern. It's giving a correctional pattern. USDJPY. Echo is active 100. Echo is active 100, man, 100. So yeah, somebody asked the bank. You asked if I trade US 30 and US 100. I don't, but I can analyze US 30 and US 100. But I don't trade it because I don't have my mentees. I don't have mentees that a lot of them that trade it. It's just a few of them, less than 5 of them that trade US 30 or indices. Personally, I used to trade US 30 before, but I stopped. I stopped trading US 30 but then I can analyze it and all, but I don't trade indices for now. But my strategy permits me to trade or to analyze any chart. Even if it's Zobo JPY, I will trade it. Even if it's Bonvita USD, I will analyze it. I'm seeing my guys here. Everybody Echo is active. 100 guys. So I'll have to end this live session here today. I'm really sorry I came late, not we. I came late and Echo is active. 100 guys. I see all of you in the chat box. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. I'm sorry I came late, guys. I'm really sorry I came late. It wasn't my fault. My system, I just woke up, surprise, surprise. I was coming to the chat and I saw water everywhere around my system. And I got pissed. I was pained. Then, but there's nothing I can do because I'm always positive. So I don't like things to get to me and make me mess my whole week up. So I just decided to just overlook it and use a new device to come and talk to you guys. Regardless, I value you guys so much. That's why I'm doing it. So I'm even looking forward to let's say give a discount on my mentorship for like let's say just just a few number of people, 100K naira, and the best students will be given a prize of, should I make it 100 or 150? 100 or 150 as the prize. Please tell me in the chat box. We have just less time. I want to be giving out my mentorship for like 100,000 naira for new intakes, but best students will go back with the prize. Should we make the best student go back with 100,000 naira cash prize or 150,000 naira cash prize? You guys should tell me in the chat box, please. Tell me in the chat box. 150. I'm saying 150. 150 have it. No problem. 150. Not $150, 150,000 naira. 150, no problem. 150, 150 it is then. So I don't know when it's going to be. I'll tell my team to work on something and we're going to give a slash on the mentorship. Pay 100,000 naira and the best student goes with 150,000. As you already know, Echo is active. So I want to give a big shout out to Taiwo, Temitope, Felix, is it Randolph FX, Victor, Debang, Mbong, I hope I pronounced your name well, Jubril, and everybody on this live session. I want to just say a very big thank you for joining. As you already know, you can call me Echo, and Echo is active. Welcome to Trade by Edge, where profit making is a hobby and withdrawal is a lifestyle. So until then, I'll see you guys on Friday. Come on Friday with your questions, any question of your choice on psychology, risk management, any question, come with your analysis, anything disturbing in this market. The goal still remains to build up a community of profitable traders where everybody would be profitable, just the same way I am. I want to see myself in a lot of people. I want to impact into people. Come on Friday with anything disturbing you, questions, and we're just going to have Traders Digest where every trader share their experience if you want to, but just come with what's disturbing you. So already know, I still remember your one and only Echo, and Echo is active. See you guys soon. Take care.